Hello, I am Jason Shapiro with crowdedmarketreport.com on this Saturday, January 4th, 2025. Welcome to the new year. Just sort of watching some people trade and listening to what some people are saying. I want to make what I think is one of the most important points about trying to make money over time in these markets. And that is under trade. Trade much less than you want to, okay? You should be, as you're trading, keeping a log of your trades, a detailed log. This is why I put on this trade. This was the setup. This is why I was. So you can go back and you can come up with what type of trades, what type of setups have worked for you over time, not one time, over time. And that's all you should be trading. Okay, this game is very hard. If you can find something that works over time, you want to just stick with that one thing. And that one thing doesn't happen all the time, right? Even if you're day trading, right? You can't tell me that whatever you're using that's making you decide when to put on a day trade, that pops up every single day. It just doesn't. There's no signal that pops up every single day. So you shouldn't be trading every single day, even if you're day trading, right? Trade your best setups. People are like, oh, well, this is one of my A setups. There should be nothing like an A setup. That should be your setup. You shouldn't be trading B setups, C setups. It's hard enough to find an A setup. You trade the setup that has worked for you over time, and that's it. Okay? Because when you don't do that, you come in the morning, oh, I don't have any setups. I'm bored. I'm going to trade. It's going to kill you. First of all, you're going to lose money on a lot of those trades. And then and that's going to hurt your P&L obviously over time. So all these great trades that you made when you were waiting for your setup are working, and then you're giving money back on a bunch of crap. That's bad for your P&L. It's also bad for your psychology, which is such a big part of this game, right? Your psychology's got to be on point. Otherwise your mind gets messed up, and it's hard enough as it is. But now you're like, oh shit, I shouldn't have made that trade. Now I lost money on it. Now I'm mad. So now I got to make it back. So then you double it and try it again, and then you lose again. And it's like a cancer. Okay. It's like if you're, say you're betting football. There's people out there that bet football. They'll bet every game down the line. You can't tell me that every game down the line you have an edge on, right? You might have an edge on one or two based on how you want to bet football and how you see it, but there's no way you have an edge in every game. So why would you bet every game? That's called a gambling addiction. And when you have a gambling addiction, you lose money over time. We don't want to lose money over time. If you're looking for fun and entertainment, then fine. Trade away, do this, do that, come in every day, make something up and do something, but just don't expect to make money, right? If you really are serious and you really want to make money over time, you've got to just focus on what is that one idea? And it might be two ideas, but what is that one idea that over time has worked for me? And be patient and be disciplined and wait for it and then take it. And even those aren't going to work all the time, but that's okay, because over time, because you've done your work and you've studied this, over time, those setups will work for you. So take the loss when they don't, ride the winners when they do, and that is how you build a positive return over time. This overtrading stuff, it's going to kill you. All you're going to be doing is paying a vig, just like the guy who bets the whole line on the football bets. He's just paying so much vig that he has no chance of making money over time. And it's the same thing with trading. You're just going to be paying the vig. You're going to be paying the market gods. And trust me, the market gods have plenty of money. They don't need more of yours, okay? You need your money. You want to make money. Discipline, patience, wait for your trade. And if it doesn't come for a day, a week, a month, then so what? Go for a walk. Go to the gym. Go spend time with your spouse and kids, and wait. It's got to be the single most important thing to do in this game, right? So anyway, that's just sort of my quick thoughts based on some conversations that I have had this week to do. All right. I hope that helps. Please like the video. If you like it, please check us out at crowdedmarketreport.com. Check out our Substack. Check out our other YouTube videos. Let me know if you like it. I'm always happy to hear questions and comments. And I hope everybody has a good week. I hope everybody has a good year coming up. And you will if you stay disciplined. Okay. All right. Thank you. And we'll talk again next week when we are going to do a review video of our last year's trades on the Crowded Market Report. All right. Thank you. And we'll talk to you soon.